everyone. That's my customer service voice. Hello. I gotta cut that shit out. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. There we go. That feels better. For today's video, I wanted to unbox my BoxyCharm. This got here yesterday. It was supposed to get here today. I don't know. So it got here. I got it late last night when I got home from work. And so I thought I'd sit down and film it with you. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel down below. I would love to have you be part of my family, part of my crew, and part of my journey. And if you're interested in seeing what I got in my July 2018 BoxyCharm, then just keep watching. I haven't even seen a single spoiler about this. I don't know what I got in my box. So all of these reactions are genuine. And I need something sharp to open up the sticker. Open up the sticker? It is about 9,000 degrees outside and I am sweating profusely. If you haven't seen my Ipsy versus Play by Sephora versus BoxyCharm video, I'll link that right here. It's where I compared 3 subscription services in one video. I showed you every item that I got from each, gave a comparison for prices, details for how often they ship, all of that kind of thing, and what I think is worth your money the most. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out, and then come back and we'll get into my BoxyCharm. So on top is this little card that says road trippin', and it shows what you got, what I got. Let's go with the one that I won't be keeping. I can already see that I won't be keeping it. It is from Wander Beauty. It is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. We've discussed in several of my subscription service videos that I only use waterproof mascara because I have incredibly watery eyes, especially when I am tired. They run in just rivers down my face, and so using regular mascara is just asking for disaster. So I'll pass this mascara along to somebody else. Probably my mom, even though she's tired of getting makeup from me. It's kind of a weird bottle. Like it's kind of in a squeezy tube instead of like a hard bottle. And the brush looks like this. It's kind of curved and very fluffy. I'm sure that I would love this brush, but it's not waterproof. This mascara retails for $24. So already we've surpassed the cost of the box. Next is this Chella eyebrow cream. Eyebrow cream? Tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream. What the hell? What am I looking at? What? So the lid comes off and you have a little brush. Oh. And then this comes off and then you dip into it. What the hell is happening right now? Okay, this is one of the weirdest things I have ever seen in my life. What the hell? Okay, and then you brush on your eyebrows. I feel like the bristles came really smashed. That's weird. I'll try it out. Let you guys know what I think. Because for some reason Ulta hasn't been stocking the Anastasia Brow Wiz for, I don't know what's going on. It says, add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your brows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. I'm getting my brows done at the Benefit Brow Bar at my store Friday, so they'll be a little bit more shapely. Interesting. I'm going to say that I really like that they send full-size products, that this is a full-size mascara instead of a sample. Even though I can't use it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I see this at work regularly, and so I've been really curious about it. It says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested-looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under-eye bags and dark circles. I read those claims a lot on a lot of different eye creams. I try a lot of eye creams because I have really bad under-eye circles. Did I say this retails for $42? Which is crazy for an eye cream in my mind, but that's okay. Cool, I'm gonna try this tonight. The fourth item in the box is from Note. It is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade 05 Desert Rose. Please be a good color. Oh, I can't. It's very expensive looking. And very, very orange. Very soft, very, very orange. Okay. I mean, maybe if you go in with a really, really light hand, you could make this work, but I feel like that might just be a little too peachy for my skin. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. And it retails for $11.99. So I guess it comes with a brush. That's weird. So this just lifts up and there is a little brush underneath. Not the kind of brush that I would use for blush. Maybe not with this brush, clearly, but maybe with my Morphe brush that I usually use, very, very lightly. That could be a pretty color on me. It could also end in complete disaster. The last item in the bag is a palette. This is a full-size eyeshadow palette. So this is from Crown Pro, crownbrush.com is their website. It's very high quality, very classy looking. And it comes with a very little mirror and beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow shades. They don't smell very good. You get 10 eyeshadows in humongous pans in this palette. Perfect neutrals. I think I'm really gonna like this palette, actually. Perfect, good transition shades, some good shimmers, a good highlighting shade. They feel very creamy. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That might be one of the creamiest eyeshadows I have ever seen in my life. Whoa. This is the Fuego eyeshadow collection, Made up of rich, warm tone shades, this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam hashtag goals. And this palette retails for $30. Wow, that is really, really beautiful. I didn't have any preconceived notions when I went into this box. I hadn't heard anything about what we were getting. I knew we would get a full-size palette of something, but I wasn't sure what it was. So I'm really excited about the palette, the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, and the taupe eyebrow cream. Give that a shot in the coming weeks. The mascara I will sadly have to pass along to someone else. I'll put that in my box of things for people to come over and go through. Please come over and go through my stuff. And we'll try out the blush. I have a feeling that it's just too dark for me. It's pretty and very creamy, but I think it's going to be too dark. So I give this BoxyCharm a 3 out of 5. That's 2. I give it a 3 out of 5. These are not what I'm looking for. If you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you did, I also hope that you will subscribe to my channel before you go. Give us a like and share and comment. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. You can do whatever you want. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! If you haven't seen my BoxyCharm vs. Ipsy vs. Sephora Play by Sephora box, oh my gosh.